Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you want a beautiful new wall light, then you have to check out the one that I got from Audickic. We got the brushed gold fixture, and we really love the clean lines on this. It's really modern looking, especially with the crossbar behind it and then the arched bars that go into the light itself. My husband was able to install it easily, comes with clear directions. Something that we discovered when we were installing is that you do need to separate the white and black wires from the individual wire and then make sure you attach them both to the connecting wire in your wall. Before you install your bulb and the clear glass shade, you're going to want to unscrew the bottom part of the brass fixture where the light bulbs go, and then you'll screw that into the bottom part of the fixture with the glass globe on top, and then put your light bulb in. We think this light instantly updated the look in this bathroom, and we just love it. We think that you're going to be very pleased with whatever you get from them, and that's our point of view.